And a very warm welcome to one and all. And I hope you had a really good Christmas and you're looking forward to the new year. And as with the new year, it's a good time for reflection and maybe revamp a few things. Well, anybody who's followed me knows that the only prop firm that I've ever dealt with is the Fivers. They're the only ones that I actually consider in the prop space. And I know people throw others at me. But when I look at the terms and conditions, I never really was very happy with it. And anyway, cut long story short, I got to know the guys that run the company quite well. And they've now taken a big leap forward because the founders of the Fivers have now started their own brokerage. So let's have a quick look at it. Now, this isn't sponsored or anything like that, and it's only just because it's come up on my radar and it was mentioned in the group that I run that they're doing it. Little salute to Marcel there who brought it up. And I said, okay, well, let's have a little look because it's always nice to have something to compare with. Now, as a broker, they're fully regulated in Europe. And why would you choose these if they're just the new boys on the street? Well, they're not necessarily the new boys on the street because the Fivers has been around a long time. And they are incredibly well financed, hence why they're now moving into brokerage. Now, you've got European licenses, so you're pretty safe there. As you can see, you've got very low spreads because it doesn't get any lower than zero, and the commissions are zero as well. Now, I'll go on to the different account types in just a second so you can see what they are. But basically, it's the same as everybody else. You know, it's your Forex, your indices, your commodities, stocks, and crypto. It's the staples of the industry. Now, one of the things that I did notice on this, because I did spend a bit of time going through T's and C's, etc., they're what's called an A-book broker. In other words, instead of sitting on the other side of your trade, they will pass it over onto direct liquidity providers, your banks in the direct market. So that's a good thing to look for. They're what are kind of called market neutral brokers. In other words, they've got nothing to gain. You know, they make their money through the spreads, the commissions, and the round trips. And if they choose to mirror your trade in the direct market, they'll take your knowledge as well. Okay, so they're not actually wanting you to lose. They actually need you to win. Okay, so it's called TSG. Now, as we go through, we'll see the instruments, as we've just seen. It is the Forex, all of the metals, indices, commodities, the basic stuff, okay? This is the bit that you want to pay attention to. They operate on MT5, a universal platform for both desktop and mobile. And they do have their version of the web trader as well. And you'll be able to use it on your mobiles. Now, up here, you've got your economic calendars, basic stuff. Education. Well, the Fivers are very much into education. I know this because if you're part of the educational program of the Fivers prop, I'm actually part of it. You know, there's a lot of what I do inside of there, and it's all ready for you. So these guys are bang on it. The full blog, legal. So you got all of that, and then obviously the ins and outs. But I think what we're really interested in is the different types of accounts, etc. So if you come down here, you can open up your demos, you can track your deposits, your withdrawals, etc. here. But if we come down into the type of accounts, it doesn't cost a lot to go into this particular broker. In fact, it's €100. €100 gets you straight in. It's working on the ESMA rules of the 50% stop out, which is here. So in other words, you can't lose more than that you've got, which is a good thing. Spreads are from 0.3, absolutely tight. Margin level call is at 100%. So the moment you drop under that 100% of your margin, you will get the call. Won't necessarily close you out, but you will get the call to say do something about this, and then you've got it down to 50%. That's industry standard. Commissions are pretty cheap, 0.15% or €2 as a minimum. Commissions for crypto, 0.12. Min size, they're doing micro lots. And your leverages, again, it's in line with the ESMA rules for Europe, which is 1 in 30. Okay, so this is it's standard stuff, guys. You just pick where you are. Obviously, the more that you have in the account, the cheaper your product becomes. Okay. Now, from here, if you come up, it's just a case of open the account, put your details in, verify who you are, and away you go. Now, about these, as you come down, you go into there. They tell you a little bit about who they are, the instruments, where the licenses are, etc., what your protection is. Everything looks good. You know, it's a nice, easy website to navigate. If you're used to MT5, you'll understand the programming very, very easy. Once you've set MT5 up, piece of cake. And you'll be able to put in your robots, your copy traders, etc. Because MT5 works that way. And then come down here and you've got all of your glossaries. And of course, you can follow it on the socials. So, yeah, something different for you guys to look at. And if you are trading with the fivers, this would be a nice addition on top of that. So there you go, TSG, new kid on the block. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.